Hello. Welcome to Sean Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to make money on Clubhouse app. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Before we begin, let's learn more about the Clubhouse app and how the platform works, as well as business ideas you can start. Clubhouse is an audio chat-based social networking app. Users can listen in on dialogues, presentations, and conversations between interesting people about a variety of topics. It's similar to listening to a podcast, but living with an added layer of exclusivity. The Clubhouse app is only accessible by invitation. You can't just download it from the App Store and sign up for an account. You must be invited to join by an existing member, just like in a real-life country or yacht club. When you join, you can choose topics of interest such as technology, books, business, or wellness. The app will recommend you follow or join conversation rooms and individuals based on the information you provide about your interests. The conversation room functions similarly to a conference call, with some participants speaking and the majority listening in. And, just like a phone call, when the conversation is finished, the room is shut down. Unlike Twitch, where live-streamed videos remain on the platform for people to watch later, live audio chats in conversation rooms vanish. This, however, does not prevent users from recording the live conversation. To join, an existing Clubhouse user must send you an invite from their app, which will grant you access to create an account. If you are invited, you will receive a link via text message that will take you to a sign-up page in the app. Clubhouse users, on the other hand, cannot simply send an invite to anyone who wishes to join. Existing users will initially have only 2 invites available. Now, let's look at one method for making money with Clubhouse app. To begin earning money from Clubhouse, you must first create merchandise related to the Clubhouse app. To get started, the first thing you should do is set up an online store where you can sell your merchandise. You can sell your products through Shopify. To heat press t-shirts, you will need to purchase a heat press machine. When an order is placed, you can begin by heat pressing t-shirts. This will allow you to keep track of your inventory and avoid overstocking printed t-shirts. You want to capitalize on the popularity of a newly emerging social media app in order to generate passive income. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to make money on the Clubhouse app. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Sean Academy, an extension for education. From Sean